You and me, we're about to go on a journey together. I'm having a total self-care day today, and I thought what better way to spend it than by fully head to toe treating myself. So I'm gonna try this Lavinso foot exfoliation peeling mask, because I guess my oversharing on this app knows no bounds. So here's a little TMI for you guys. I have really calloused feet, and kind of for no reason, all the women in my family get them. It's just the natural state of our feet, and it's really uncomfortable and really obnoxious. And I'm also broke, so I can't get pedicures all the time, even though that's the best way to help my feet. So I thought this would be a good thing to try out, so let's do it together. Let's see what this is supposed to do before we jump into it. It's never been easier to get soft and rejuvenated feet. Simply apply the foot mask and allow it to work as it was designed to. No need to scrub your feet and no more putting your feet through pain to get that baby smooth feel. Lavinso exfoliating foot peeling mask is comprised of all natural ingredients and botanical extracts, safe to use on both men and women. Lavinso, a real treat for your feet. I high-key cannot believe that I'm doing this online, but let's see. So you wear the mask for an hour, and then after a week, it says, you see the peeling and you start to see results. So that's perfect for a day like today where I'm not really doing anything. So let's see. Each pack comes with oh my gosh, they're filled with jelly. Okay, I'm obsessed. It's like a little boot. It smells intense. Don't judge me. One boot on. It comes with these little tapes because the boot is super loose. So I think that's how you close the boot. The boot, you know what I mean, the sock. The mask. Do y'all like my new shoes? I'm gonna leave these on for an hour and then I'll let y'all know how it goes, because I know we're all dying to know how much my feet peel. Okay, I've had them on for an hour and my feet feel really soft, but I have to go rinse them. I don't want to show my feet because I'm scared I'll go under review and also no free feet. But y'all, they literally feel really soft. Okay, so the point is that you wait a few days for the peeling to happen, but I'm literally not kidding you guys. This just feels so weird to talk about. My feet feel so soft right now. They literally always feel super rough. It feels like I just got a full pedicure. So if y'all want to know how my feet peel, then I will update you. But as of right now, I totally recommend these. My feet feel really soft. As a self-care day treat, it was really nice. So yeah, Lavinso foot exfoliation peeling mask. You can get these on Amazon. Check it out. Treat yourself. Treat your feet. And if you do try them out, never forget, no free feet. Have a good day.